Hey guys, Anthony here. Thanks for stopping by. What do you do on a freezing night? Electric blanket, a stick, and a cylinder vase. I'm not sure yet, but hang out with me and let's see what we can do. Okay, this is where I've gotten so far. I love the stick. I love the base of the stick. And let's see how the planting goes. But so far, so good. I like this. Okay, so I've gotten this far. Raise the dirt up on one side. I've got 3 plants in there and I'm going for a color scene. So hang out for the next one. Okay, here we got it. It's gonna give it a nice little turn. You can see we still have our angle. You can see the color that we're going for. It's basically green and like a off-white, except for the ivy. The ivy's got that color in it, and then it sometimes gets a little darker. So we'll give me on that one. Here, let me clean that off really quick. There's one more piece. Are you guys ready? Here is our artistic part. 3 other plants wrapped around a twig with some soil and sphagnum moss. Yes, I did go there. And let's see. Kind of only goes in one way. Perfect. Now, it'll just sit the way I want it to. Excellent. Okay. Let's get the camera further down. Hang on a second. Okay, how could you not love that? You just can't help but love it. It's different. And it'll be even cooler looking when everything starts to grow in. I have a couple more sticks. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in there or not. So for right now, I think I'm just going to kind of live with it a couple of days and see if I want to do anything else. But I've got the moss at the bottom. I could try and plant something else down here, down in this area down there. Because I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get the stick. Oh, yes, I can. That's how it's supposed to go. Oh, so much better. There we go. Oh, I'm so glad I did that. Now, there you go. It's more balanced. You know, I'm all about my hardscape. So the stick, of course, was found in a drainage ditch. And we used the pea gravel for the drainage layer. 1 big piece of moss. And then the plants I've been growing, so I've got a surplus, and I thought, why not? And I thought doing the theme color would be really, really cool. So let me find its best angle. I think it's going to be like right here. I think that's going to be the best angle. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight on a freezing night.